What's up, y'all? So today's video is going to be another wash day routine on Miss Harmony here, and today we will be using the Mielle Organics Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger collection. So if you guys want to see what we think about these products, stay tuned. RX Hawaiian Ginger Anti-Breakage Shampoo. Pretty much this shampoo is supposed to lock in moisture, gently cleanse and replenish the hair, and it's also silicone free. And baby, when I tell you, this shampoo did what it was supposed to do, because Harmony did have a lot of buildup. Before I shampooed her hair, I did do a pre-poo treatment using the African Pride pre-shampoo. And baby, let me tell you, this shampoo cleansed Harmony hair. It got her hair so cleansed that it did not strip her hair. This shampoo definitely got her scalp clean, and if I have to rate it, I would give it a 5 out of 5. After I finished washing this shampoo out of Harmony hair, her hair definitely felt moisturized. It had a nice little shine to it, and baby, her curls was popping. With this shampoo, I didn't get any type of tangling with her hair. We did go back in the bathroom and do about 3 to 4 washes. I also like that this shampoo suds up really well, and baby, the smell of this shampoo is amazing. Next item we have here is the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Anti-Breakage Conditioner. And just like the shampoo, the conditioner smells the exact same way. The only thing I hate about this shampoo and the conditioner was the pumps was not working. Like, I don't know if anybody else experienced this when it came to Mielle products, but this is my first time when I try to use the pump and it did not work. Now, this conditioner is supposed to lock in moisture, deeply conditions each strand, and also bring the hair back to life. Now, one thing about this conditioner, it do have a lot of slip, and that's something that I look for anytime I do use a conditioner. Now, Harmony did have a little clump in her hair, but when I used the conditioner on that part, it definitely got the knot out. But overall, I would definitely rate this conditioner a 5 out of 5. This next item is not a part of the collection, but this is something that I had in my stash, and this is the Babassu Oil and Mint Deep Conditioner. Now, y'all ate me up in those comments the last Mielle video, so I did not show you guys how I added the deep conditioner to her hair. I went back into the shower and I made sure her hair was saturated with water, and then I went and added the product to her hair. And baby, when I tell you, Harmony hair love this product. It loved the hell out of this product. The deep conditioner smelled so good, and it left her hair feeling so soft. I would definitely give it a 5 out of 5. So I did go ahead and use my heating cap, and I left this in her hair for only 15 minutes. The next product we're using is the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Leave-In Conditioner. Now, it says that this leave-in conditioner is supposed to restore shine, lock in moisture, and delivers long-lasting curl definition. Now, you guys know I always get Harmony hair braided after I do her wash day. So as far as the curl definition, I really can't talk too much about. When it was time to detangle Harmony hair, this leave-in conditioner made it so easy to detangle Harmony hair. It did melt away those little knots, those little small knots that she did have at the end. This is why you guys see me constantly go over the ends of her hair. No, I'm not being rough with Harmony hair. This video is sped up. Now, if you guys been following Harmony's hair journey for a while now, I've been watching her videos, you would definitely know from her last video that she did, her curly fro was a lot more voluminous. It was if that's even a word. It was a lot bigger and fuller. Harmony did experience some breakage the last time I took her braids out, and after I normally take her braids out, I do not get her hair braided right away. I either put her hair in pom-poms or I do some twists with some bobos. And I did do a set of twists in her hair, and I just didn't feel like retouching up the twist. So Harmony was rocking 3 pom-poms in her hair for maybe about a week and a half. And baby, when I tell you, it wasn't until I did her next wash day that I seen that my baby hair broke off, and that broke my heart. I felt extremely bad because I was the one who put the pom-poms in her hair. If you are a parent who is doing your child's hair, those little cute styles maybe look cute on the kids, but baby, they hair really do suffer. So for now on, Harmony hair will not be in pom-pom. I do have a few styles that I could do on Harmony hair in between her getting her braids, so I do look forward on making those tutorials for you guys. Now before I blow dry Harmony hair, I do detangle her hair all around in sections. This way it makes it super easy for me to just take out the twist and just blow out her hair. I am really impressed on how this collection did on Harmony hair. I was really hyped about the Rosemary Mint collection, but now this is my favorite one. I did go in with the Mongongo, I hope I'm saying that right, all thermal and heat protectant spray, and I also used the viral TikTok blow dryer. I did use the Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Hair Butter. Now, I really like this hair butter. The hair butter is not greasy. It do not weigh her hair down. And this is how her hair looked after I blew it out. Baby girl was really tired. Harmony always fall asleep anytime she get her hair done. I did not want to use too much of this butter because I'm really not supposed to have anything in her hair before she gets it braided. But once these braids are out, I will be trimming her hair. But overall, I do like this butter. I really can't wait to use this butter and try and do her hair a mini twist just to see how it holds up. But this hair butter definitely left her hair feeling moisturized. Overall, I really like each and every one of these products. I rate every product a 5 out of 5, and I really can't wait to use these products on my hair and reuse them on Harmony hair again. But this is the final look on how Harmony hair turned out. As always, Anna did her thing. Harmony really enjoyed going to the hair salon. She really enjoyed making these videos. And if you guys enjoy Harmony's wash save routine, don't forget to hit that like button, as well as hit that subscribe button, and make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so when Harmony do post another video, you guys won't miss it. I hope you guys stay blessed and be safe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.